I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken fried rice. To begin, always use cold, day-old cooked rice. This is crucial for that perfect, non-sticky texture. Before you even turn on the heat, make sure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This means dicing your chicken, chopping your vegetables, and having your sauces measured out. A large wok or a spacious skillet is ideal for cooking, allowing everything to cook evenly without steaming. Next, let's get our proteins ready. First, add 1 tablespoon of oil to your hot pan and cook your diced chicken until it's beautifully browned and completely cooked through. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside. Then, crack 2 or 3 large eggs directly into the pan. Scramble them quickly until they are just set and fluffy but not overcooked. Take the eggs out, chop them into smaller, bite-sized pieces, and set them aside with the chicken. Now it's time for the vegetables and the star of the show, the rice. Add a little more oil if needed, then quickly sauté your aromatics like minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, toss in your other vegetables, such as frozen peas, diced carrots, and chopped onions, cooking them until they are tender crisp. Finally, add your cold rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure every grain gets coated and heated through. For the grand finale, let's bring all those delicious components together and add our final seasonings. Return the cooked chicken and scrambled eggs to the pan with the rice and vegetables. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Stir-fry everything vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and thoroughly heated. Serve immediately, and enjoy your homemade chicken fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.